if you want to record sounds on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you have to do is you need to go to the app drawer, and then over here in the app drawer, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the recorder, which we can of course use in order to record ourselves. So once you're ready, we can tap on this button at the bottom of this screen, and now we can just say whatever we want. We can record whatever we want. We also have the AI speech recognition, which also divides the recording into speakers. So if there are multiple speakers on the recording, then they should be detected. We can also change the language in here. We can also use the camera apparently. So we can go ahead and take a photo while recording an audio, and so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna stop the recording, and there we go. We go back to the list, the transcription and summary, and well, once again, the phone will create the transcription, and it will also summarize the speech quite easily. We also have some more stuff like enhanced voice. We can also show the voice print in case you want to do that. And we can also use the translation, so you can translate the summary, the AI summary content over here quite easily. In the upper right corner, we have these three dots that allow you to access some more stuff. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.